Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. We shall see the process how to approve MRF that has been raised. Video links are given in the description box to know how to raise new MRF. After submitting MRF, email notification goes for approval. There are two options. 1. Approver can approve MRF using email notification and no need to log into PromptHR. And another option, approver has to log into his /her account and approve the MRF. Let's see approval using employee self-account. Video link is given in the description box to know how to approve MRF using email notification. The steps to follow are: log in to PromptHR. Click on Hire. Click on Raise a RRF/MRF. Click on Manage your MRF list. Here is list of all MRFs which are pending for action, to be approved or disapproved. From here you can switch your role, as given here, whether it is level 1 approver or a level 2 approver or shortlisting manager or interviewer. Here I am going to approve the MRF as level 1 approver. To approve, click on green tick, and to disapprove it, click on red cross icon. I want to approve it, so I clicked on green tick. Click OK to confirm, and MRF has been approved and email notification goes to next level approver. Here you can see the mails. Confirmation email. And here is next level approval email notification.